In Michigan's Upper Peninsula, it gets unbearable outside sometimes. I like to do dry fire practice inside my house. However, sometimes dry fire practice is not that fun when you are using laser. Instead, I would like to use my Sig Airsoft pistol so that I can shoot actual BBs with my Airsoft pistol instead of just a red laser dot. However, shooting BBs inside the house has its own challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a BB trap out of a shipping box. I'm going to use their packing material that is in the box, and I am going to cut these in strips. I'm going to tape them in the box. I'm going to cut a hole in the box so that I can take a target that I can print, or you can get this at .torturedrill.com or .torturetarget.com by my friend Mike Ox, who has developed this target. What I need to do is I'm going to tape these in various locations in here. That way when the BBs come in, they hit this, they don't bounce out, and this will allow the BBs to drop down and be trapped. If you don't have these in here and all you have is a hard back of the target of the box, the BBs will hit and bounce forward, and you don't want that. So I'm hoping that this will be a soft enough medium to allow the BBs to hit and the impact absorb, stop the BBs, drop straight down into the box. So I'm just going to take and give myself a template here. So I need a little bit of a lip, so I'm going to come in about a ½ inch all the way around. There we go. And we'll take our target. So we are now ready to shoot. All right, so what I'm seeing, our plastic is indeed slowing these BBs down as it goes through. It's holding decent up top. So it's going through our layers, but if you notice, all the BBs, when they're hitting, they're falling back down here. I'd say that this is a win.